Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to acquire different shields in Monopoly Go. To start, open up Monopoly Go events. The game vary depending on the current month or day. For instance, the shield, I acquired it in the Battleship event, which offers different rewards, including shields. Participate in these events to earn new shields for your account. Another way is to complete the set cards. So go to albums, and for some reason, the battleship, I acquire another shield. So go check out this set and complete it. The harder the set to be completed, the higher chance to get a shield. And that's how you obtain a shield and Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.